Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melanie Muthoni here with another adventure. So continue watching this video and you'll get to understand where I'm heading to, but it's a hike, okay, based on the title of the video. How have you been, guys? I've really had a very tough week and I'm glad like my week is ending with the hike. I really wanted to start my year like this and it's happening, and I'm like, I thank God. Already dressed up. Probably by the time you see this you'll have seen the reel, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram. I don't know, I'm really not that excited. I think it's because this is my second hike so far, but my first hike this year. And yeah, I'm just like, I just want to see it start, to be honest. I think it's because this one, like the location point is a bit far, so I'm like I have to get myself there, but there's no problem. I don't know, I just feel like I'm just hoping and praying that everything flows well, and that that bad thing I'm feeling or whatever that is sure. And basically, yeah, let me go have breakfast. I'm gonna eat food, and then I'm not gonna eat any more food throughout the day apart from like snacks that I've carried. Probably by the time as you continue watching, you'll see exactly how things flow. I'm also excited, low-key, because I do not know how things are gonna turn out, but I'm hoping for the best, and it's gonna be a good hike. And yeah, see you when you see me. Bye.
This one I better do I no get time, Dada cover my face, calling me Big man, we do what's it coming? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing. What's it coming? Chihuahua, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it.
Let's see how things will unfold. And again, I'm expecting to get to the end and back. For the views. Wow. Nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. Welcome back to my channel, by the way. Tunaanza tukianzanga. Ona tu, just look. This. Oh my god. Thingy. Through this water to the other side where there are these stairs. That is gonna be amazing. Like, I'm here for the vibe. Woohoo! This is so nice. So I'm just chilling, lighting. So the first waterfall, and I'm telling you, it's so good. I feel like there's something that the waterfalls bring, like the nature. Like, I feel like I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. They gave us fruits and water, and I carried snacks. So I'm just went, saw the waterfall. I'm now back, and I want to just re-energize. Let's wait for the rest of the people to come up. The water is cold.
Looking for the king, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Work the bunch like the Kiambu in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Running on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't wanna rap, be quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. That's the niggas that you trust, tell them how they turn fade. Hey, you know your boy, cause you rockin' her man. Especially if your money long, guarantee it's her.
So nakula tu fruit sai as we wait to go to the next scene. Talk about Gucci. Let me show you. I don't know if you're all gonna see. Well.
So you're a tough guy, like you really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always a puff guy.
Hey, I've made it. Guys, it's me again at the waterfall. Lakini nilikuwa nataka kuswim, lakini sasa na balance, najaribu kubalance kwa katikati ya maji. I'm trying to balance my phone. Woo, wait, my phone and you guys. Just look at that waterfall. I'm in the middle of the water. What do you mean? What do you mean? Also in the middle of the water. The water. So that is the water. And we go like this to the other side. It might not be clear because of, you see the waves are doing something. So yeah.
time that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you're single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime, go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime, time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you, now I feel so cold. I gotta get even, still I want you close. Sometimes I need you, I never forget you, but I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.
Zuri wewe uko kwa maji. I'm in the waters. Yes, Duffy. Swimming. Woo! Shika, 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 shika. Nenda, nenda. Nilikuwa nenda na maji. Ati hapa hakuna nje. Nasikia kutoka juu, mwenye ametuleta hapa ni guide, lakini anatuambia hakuna njia. Kuna venye tunaweza tuambia turudi sasa. Tunarudi mwenyo. Tebu we create njia please. Ndio hata nikole kwa mbali. Na venye tulikuwa pamoja. But uzuri there is only one way forward. Si ati mtu anaweza enda left ama right. Oh. Into the thick of it. Oh. Wow. Heavy copy. On to the last waterfall. But this one I'm not swimming because the way it looks. Imagine kuna nini huko? This is charcoal. Aye. Ni nini huku? Charcoal is being made here. This is funny, but I'm ready for the weather. Wow, guys, it's raining, like big. Ningewaonyesha lakini kwa wingi hapa. Going to subside and there we go. Imenyesha. Alai. Hizo ni gani hizo? Ukimaliza tu hivi unapewa badge. Unaweza taka?
Music controls me, just know